everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. On today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make air fried onion petals. Take a look at that. Don't those look absolutely delicious? I will be making these in our Deluxe Air Fryer. For this recipe, you will need some flour seasoned with our seasoning salt, 2 eggs whisked together, some breadcrumbs, and 2 onions with the top cut off, peeled, but leaving the root on. To cut the onions, I will be using our new veggie wedger. So I will place the root right over the center of the veggie wedger and just cut down through the root. So I have equal parts, 5 equal pieces. So that was the one. Let's go ahead and do the second one. The root on the bottom like that, and then just cut down. There we go. Like so. Next, we need to carefully spread the onion petals. Careful not to break them off of the root. That kind of holds them together. This is an example. Spread them out. Uh-oh. That's an example of what not to do, but that's okay. There we go. This step, you will probably be crying, as I am. Okay. Woo, these are some strong onions. Woo, woo, woo. Set that aside, and now for the dipping mixture. We will first dip in the flour with the seasoning salt, into the egg wash, into the breadcrumbs, shake off any extra, and this will go onto my air fryer racks. I have sprayed these with a little non-stick cooking spray, and I will just repeat with all of the remaining onions. While the onions are cooking in the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. In my prep bowl here, I have 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. I need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of either paprika or smoked paprika. And that's the sauce. I'm just going to give this a stir and set it aside while our onions are still cooking. All right, so they are done cooking. They cooked in the air fryer for 20 minutes on the air fry setting. And here we have the onion petals. So I'm just gonna take a little piecey here and dip it in the sauce. They are delicious. They didn't quite turn out like the picture, but they taste really good. This was the first time for me to make them, so you know what they say, practice makes perfect. And as I say, pampered, not perfect. Thank you guys so much for joining me. You know the routine. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And like I always say, happy cooking. Bye.